Hello everyone, myself architect and urban designer Priyanka Dumne. Currently I am working in PCET's S.V. Patil College of Architecture and Design as an assistant professor. Today I am going to talk on the topic understanding the role and differences between architecture, urban design and urban planning. We'll start with the architecture. Whenever we heard about architecture, what first comes in mind? Building or a structure? Then what type of buildings? Bungalows, apartments, historical structures like Taj Mahal, other buildings like offices. Yes, architecture is all about building or a structure. Architecture isn't just the reflection of the state of society. It's the reflection of the mind. Is the reflection of the mind. Yes, in architecture, what we learn to convert our dreams into reality. Being an architect, we keep others' clients' dreams into reality as they want. On what basis we do these things? On what basis this all reality or reflection is depending upon? Upon three F's. Three F's of architecture. What are those? Those are function. Fundamentally to provide shelter. Second F is form. An art that is appreciated by many for its beauty. And the third F is firmness, stability of structure. Three F's are there: function, form, and firmness. On this basis, the entire structure is built or created. So, on depending on all these things, can I say the definition of architecture can be the art or practicing of designing and constructing buildings. Moving towards urban planning, we will split these two words. Urban means cities or a town, and planning means uh, process of making plans for some things or organization or arrangement. If we combine this sentence in a way, in this way, manner, like arrangement or organizing cities or a town, it's an urban planning. On what basis this urban planning is depending upon? Like layout, as I said, it's an organization and arrangement. Like layout of neighborhoods, cities and regions. Layout, it's not depending upon only on the city or a town, it's also depending upon the connectivity of cities to cities, neighborhoods to neighborhood, then the regions to regions, states to state, in this way, or fulfilling the needs of community and economy of that particular precinct. If you see the image, there are some built forms, some open spaces, some greeneries, road networks are there. So this entire thing we have to arrange or organized in fulfilling the needs of the community. This is known as an urban planning. So exactly what we do, what we are doing is we are balancing the built and natural environment, that is built and unbuilt form. So after this, can I say the definition of urban planning definition: the design and organization of urban spaces and infrastructure is an urban. We have seen architecture, urban planning. Now we are going to see urban design. So again we are going to split urban design word. What do you mean by urban? Urban is a city or a town, and design is a plan or a drawing produced to show the look and the function. So if we combine this word again, so what will be the city or a town? The city or a town which is going to be show the look and the function, that is the urban design. What we did in planning, we did just arranged or organized the requirements or fulfilled the requirements what exactly that city wants. After that, this is the process of how that planning, how that arrangement is going to function, how is that planning is going to look, is the work of that urban designer or what we learn in this urban design. This is the big or main difference between the urban planning and urban design. So here I'm talking about the function and the look. So to whom we are talking about this? To only for the people. The architecture, urban planning and mainly focus that urban design is people centric design. What we do entire thing in architecture and urban design is all about for people. So it's an art of making place for people, human interaction with the environment, and involves this places such like squares, piazza, street, pedestrian pathways, precinct in Indian context like maidan, like open spaces, gardens, parks, etc. So these are these places and spaces which involve, which give जान डाल देता है पूरे इस city में, that is urban design. If you see these images, in that images you will see one structure, one street, one pedestrian pathways, और उसके बाद रोड भी है, कहीं आपको ग्रीनरी भी दिख रही है. These there is a combination between this entire thing and how is going to be function, and how these spaces are going to be used by the people, by different people, by different community. ये हम लोग इन urban design में सीखते हैं, and what exactly the urban designer do. So, can I say the urban design is the design of a functionality of spaces between building and the structures? Structure in terms here is not the that bars and bars, that bamboo beam and column. Here the structure meaning is the road, the pattern, the entire structure that urban planner was planned. Uska combination जो होगा, that built and unbuilt, how is going to be function, what we do in urban design, what we see in urban design. Now, if we directly differentiate between architecture and urban design and urban planning in terms of scale, in architecture we only focus on upon individual building and surrounding landscaping. In urban design, we focus on the spaces between the buildings and structure, like streets, park, transit stop, etc. And what we do exactly in urban planning, we just do a whole neighborhood, district, and cities connectivity, and how the requirements are going to be will be planned. We do in urban planning. And what about the orientation? Orientation as per architecture, in architecture will be aesthetical and functional, and urban design the same way in a larger scale, but aesthetically and functionally we are going to be seen in the criteria of orientation. And the same in urban planning. In urban planning, the orientation is nothing but just the fulfilling the utility. We are giving the all the requirements, or we just fulfilling their needs. Treatment about the space in terms, in architecture what we do, we focus on 2D as well as 3D. In urban design we focus on 3D. Why 3D? We always go with the human scale. Human scale के बाद वो entire street कैसा दिखेगा, वो entire space कैसे going to be used, the entire space is how is going to be going to be look for that human figure, human eye level, हम लोग वहाँ तक सोचेंगे. And in urban planning we don't focus on the 3D part, we just focus on the 2D, like where that spaces or places built and unbuilt form going to be place. बस इतना ही हम लोग in urban planning में देखते हैं. So this is a big difference between the architecture and urban design and urban planning. If you balance, if we see that tarazu over there, that scale, उस scale में आपको दिखेगा that vertical part is I have divided in 4 parts. The base is the people, and the vertical part is the urban planning, and the entire तराजू में जो 2 parts जो है, one part में architecture है and second part में it's urban design. if if a single thing is unbalanced, वो बड़ा हो गया तो, या किसी में कम भी हो गया, किसी में ज़्यादा भी हो गया, द एंटायर प्लानिंग, द एंटायर सिनेरियो इज चेंज. इवन आर्किटेक्चर में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई तो अर्बन प्लानिंग एंड अर्बन डिज़ाइन इज गोइंग टू नॉट बी फंक्शन इन प्रॉपर वे. इफ अर्बन प्लानिंग में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो आर्किटेक्चर और अर्बन डिज़ाइन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी फंक्शन इन अ वेल मैनर. इफ अर्बन डिज़ाइन के पार्ट में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई तो अर्बन प्लानिंग एंड आर्किटेक्चर इज गोइंग टू not work properly, and this entire thing will going to hamper on to whom, to people. तो ये सब चीज़ें जो है वो सारी पीपल सेंट्रिक है और उनके लिए हम लोग डिज़ाइन करते हैं. So this is a big difference between the architecture, urban design and urban planning, and the roles of architect, urban designer and urban planning. I hope you like, and I hope you get the clear idea about the roles and differences between architecture and urban design and urban planning. So if you like it, please like, share and comment. Thank you.